Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy new month, happy Thanksgiving for those who celebrate Thanksgiving. In fact, just compliments of the season wherever you are. Um, Welcome back to another Sunday Weekly Forex Outlook. Sadly, I'll not be able to drop this video on Sunday because I'm currently recording it now on Sunday, almost 10 p.m. right now. I've been busy throughout this weekend. I had some family function, so I couldn't, get the time to record this video. I just got back not quite long, and I decided to put out this video so I would have it edited and put out by Monday morning. So last week the market, I'm really not proud of myself, of my trading last week, and we're going to find out more about that when we get into the chart breakdowns. However, I think this is going to be my last week. I usually give myself just 2 weeks of trading in December, because if you notice, even from last week, the market, maybe it was because of the Thanksgiving holiday and stuff, the market was quite slow with the movement. But yeah, so I'm going to be this week is going to probably be the last week, or at most next week. I give myself at least 2 weeks before the break, and 2 weeks into January before I start trading. That's how I usually approach the New Year's and Christmas celebration period. But last week, like I said, I made a very rookie mistake, which was very painful. We're going to get to find out all of that when we get straight into the charts. So without any further ado, let's go straight into the charts. So last week I took 2 trades. Now, like I said, I'm not really proud of my trading last week. Not because the trades were terrible, but because I let my emotions get the best of me. I think it's easier for me to just show you guys. The first trade I took AUD USD and a trade on gold on the very same day. But I was in a buy on gold and I was in a sell on AUD USD. I think I spoke about AUD USD sales in my last weekly outlook, and it's a really clean setup. Market had broken, if you look, high. I don't want to make this video to be too long, but let me just show you guys. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, potential lower high. Okay, market came here, gave us this double bottom, broke, retested in this area, rejected on the 1 hour time frame. I had my entries. A typical setup, a very, very typical setup. If you look over here, you can see the market did this consolidation over here, broke, retested, rejected over here, entered, well, I think I entered here after this double top, engulfing. I entered stop loss above, take profit below. Now the market came, puts me in profit, but you guys know I wait for the market to get to a 1 to 2 before I move my stops to break even. So the market never really did that. It gave me like a 1 to 1 or 1 to 1.5, something like that. Yeah, like 1 to 1.4, and it completely reversed on me. Okay, now this is not where the story gets messy. Where the story gets messy is, typically according to my strategy, I'm doing everything right over here. Yeah, so what was supposed to happen? I was just supposed to let the trade do what it wants to do. If it wants to take me out on stop loss, it does that. But as the market began to reverse on me over here, and I just couldn't take. That day I was just really tense, because I was in AUD USD and gold at the same time, and at the time Gold also was um moving against me, so I was just seeing red. I usually try to stay away from my MT4. I just try to stick to the trading view when I'm trading. But that day, for some reason, I think it was because of the what happened the previous week. But I'm not going to attribute. Last week I blamed it on the prop firm. This week this was completely my fault. So as this market was pushing up against me over here, so I closed the trade. I didn't just close this trade, I also closed the gold trade. Let me show you. Gold, I had a long bias. The market came and gave us this left head, right shoulder, broke above here. I entered here, stop loss below, target above. Now, when AUD USD was moving up against me, gold was somewhere here, and I also closed. I closed gold and I closed AUD USD. Now, would you look at what happens? What happened? AUD USD would have stopped me out. Very, very much so. But look at gold. This is why you all have to always stick to your plan. And I would have even felt better if both trades had stopped me out. Immediately I closed the trades. That was the worst feeling I've felt in a long time, because I just knew I did not stick to my plan. That was a lack of discipline on my end as a trader, as a person, and like I wish I could take it back, but that's one of the things that happens. You just have to learn and grow from it. This is why you never take a trade. You never make decisions while you're in a trade. You make decisions of your trading plan, of your rules, and I totally threw all that away and I made an emotional decision which cost me. This gold trade my stop loss would have been moved to break even by now, because the market had given me up to 1 to 2. So this trade would be running risk free. I do not know if this trade will end up going to my take profit or coming back to stop me out at break even, but it's a much better feeling knowing you stuck to your plans and it didn't play out than you broke your trading plans, and it's just a terrible feeling, especially if you're an aspiring trader that wants to grow. So I felt really bad about closing the trades, and yeah, that's why I said I'm not really proud of myself last week for my actions last week. But yeah, I'm taking that into consideration, and I'm going to be working on trying to do better as we move forward. There were also opportunities on the yen pairs. I was eagerly looking to catch CHF I spoke about this trade breaking and retesting. It did that beautifully over here. The reason why I didn't take this one, I missed a couple because I felt I wanted to take the cleanest one, and the cleanest one at the time was CHF. It dropped. It never gave us this pullback that we had here on the rest of the yen pairs. Let's see whether I can pull it up. Okay, look at GBP JPY. It had the break of structure over here. My issue with GBP JPY was it never really tapped this my level, and I just wanted it to. Even if it was just this week that touched it, I probably would have taken this trade, but never did that. Let me show you why I thought CHF would have been the cleanest. I really wanted to take CHF. Yes, I had this level like so. They're giving me left head, right shoulder broken. I wanted the retest like it happened in GBP JPY and Euro JPY, but it never did that, so I missed this trade and I missed the rest. So last week was just, yeah, it was it was bad, man, but it's all good. We keep going. So for this week, the first pair on my list is going to be Euro USD. I'm bullish on Euro USD. The market has come back into this monthly level. It has tried to, you see, this is what we call a false break. I'll probably put a video out on, or I think I have put a video out on false breakouts, or I've mentioned it a couple of times, but I've never really made a dedicated video on false breakouts. But it's just simply when the market breaks a level but fails to sustain either above or below the level. You see the market broke out of this level, a strong monthly level, but the very next candle bullish engulfing. So this could signify either a reversal back to a key level or a full blown, either a retracement back to a key level or a full blown reversal. Okay, so and now the market is giving us this sort of like big head and shoulders pattern. See if I can draw it out. Left head, right shoulder, waiting for a breakout, retest, look for longs to the upside. So I'm bullish on USD. Let's go ahead to GBP USD. I'm also bullish on GBP USD. GBP USD has actually broken above this previous resistance. You can see this as well. Left head, right shoulder. Now the market has broken and closed above and get a pull back into this level. Look for longs to the upside. NZJPY, this is also one of the trades I missed last week at the breakout test of this level. I also spoke about this trade in the last weekly outlook. Like I said, I was focused on CHFJPY. Okay, CAD JPY. I'm bearish on CAD JPY, but I have to say this is not the cleanest setup I have that you can see. It's bearish on all time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see this lower lows and lower highs, but I'm seeing this sort of consolidation in this level. So I'm either going to be waiting for the market to pull back here, reject, or consolidate like so around here, break the consolidation, then I'll be looking for a retest, for looking for sales, something like this. AUDJPY, I'm bearish on AUDJPY, but I'm going to have to wait for the market to pull back into this level for looking for sales to the downside. USDJPY, I'm also bearish on USDJPY. The market reversed from this level, but this reversal wasn't the cleanest. So this week, if the market can pull back into this level and give us like a cleaner reversal, I'll be looking to short the market to the downside. I'm bearish on USDJPY. USDCHF, I'm still bullish on USDCHF until the market completely takes out this level. Until the market is able to take out this level, the market has bounced off this level one time, came back here, bounced again, and the market is here once again. This market could use this point as a double bottom breakout. I'll be looking for buys at this point to the upside. However, the market should break below this level with this over here. I'm looking for sales to the downside. So USDCHF is really 50-50, so we're going to be waiting for the market to react, react before we jump in. So yeah, let's go on my list. GBP card, I'm bullish on GBP card. You can see the market has shifted from making lower highs and lower lows to now making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now a higher high. So we have a pullback into this level, looking for longs to the upside. GBP AUD, I'm also bullish on GBP AUD. The market has broken out of this tight consolidation, So I'm going to waiting for a little bit more push to the upside, pull back, rejection, look for launch to the upside. NZDJPY, no, NZDUSD, I mean. I am bullish on NZDUSD. The market has broken above this level of previous resistance, and also you can see this left head, tiny right shoulder. This move to the upside is not yet convincing. I'll probably wait for the market to give me a more convincing break above this level and retest before looking for longs, or the market could have like a big push down to complete this head and shoulders pattern properly before having a break, a retest, and move to the upside. I'm bullish on NZD/USD, however. Whatever the market chooses to do, I'm just going to sit back and relax and wait for the market at this level before looking for longs. NZD card, I'm also bullish on NZD card. Yeah, I'm going to wait for a convincing break, a test before looking for longs to the upside. Euro GBP, I'm bearish on Euro GBP. Market is at a very key level over here. The market has rejected this level multiple times. Okay, the market rejected this level over here here in September. The market has been rejecting strongly off of this level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Market spiked below, broke back above. 7, 8, 9, in fact 10 times, and now the market is currently below it. So I'm definitely going to wait for the market to give me a more convincing push to the downside, retest and rejection before trying to sell to the downside. So I'm bearish on Euro GBP. I'm just going to wait for the market to give me a more convincing break before looking for setups. Yeah, I think this is going to be all the pairs I'm going to be interested in this week on the FX pairs. Like I said, this, as we get to the end of the year, the market usually moves a lot slower. The setups are not really as clean, so just really be careful. Wait for your confirmations before trying to jump in on any trade. Don't just get in impulsively, or get in or out impulsively like I did last week. Make sure you follow your rules. You see everything you want to see before getting into any position. Now let's look at the indices briefly. Yeah, I'm going to be needing a pullback. We spoke about this trade in the last weekly outlook video, so I'm not going to be talking about it. I'm going to be looking for a pullback into this level, rejection before looking for move to the upside. NAS 100, not really clean. I feel like it's still going to continue keep going up. This breakout, retest, rejection over here. So for NAS 100, if I really had to, if there was like a gun pointed to my head and saying I must trade this pair, I'm just going to waiting for breakouts, test to continue the move to the upside. This is like the only thing I could see. Yeah. SPS 500, since the market rejected of this level, I think we are finally broken above this previous level of resistance. So we're waiting for the market to retest, but waiting for a much cleaner break, retest and rejection. We're looking for buys to the upside. These setups are not really as clean as I would want them to be. US oil, I was expecting US oil to sell. I think I spoke about it in the last weekly outlook video. The market finally broke out of this kind of consolidation slash head and shoulders pattern. I'll show you. Left, head, right shoulder, break, retest. So I was expecting the market to sell from this point, which it actually did, but there was a double top here, which would have been entry, stop loss above, target below. Market would have moved, but would have eventually stopped me out. So yeah, but I'm still bearish on US oil. However, I'll probably be waiting for the market to come and take out this level first before looking for pullbacks and entries to the downside. Now Bitcoin, I actually caught a trade on Bitcoin last week. Bitcoin was like the only trade that gave me a little bit of comfort last week. In my last video, I was explaining how I wanted the market to have a pullback into this level before looking for longs. I could not find any entry at this level over here. Let me go back to the lower time frames. I could not find any. The shift of structure wasn't clean as I would have wanted to see. I was waiting for a chart pattern, double bottom, head and shoulder. It just didn't happen. But then the market formed this resistance over here, then broke out, retested, and gave this double bottom right here. So you can see one bottom, push up, second bottom, engulfing, and this was where I had my entry. After the engulfing, stop loss under, target above, and the market just, it puts me in a little bit of drawdown, but market just went straight into my target. From next year, I'm really going to be trying to trade crypto more. Most times I just do the analysis, but I'm really going to be looking into trading crypto. Maybe I'll look for one of the crypto brokers, maybe Bybit or Binance, and start placing trades on crypto, because I really do like it. I hold quite a number of Bitcoins, but I really did not used to actively trade them before. I just analyzed them for people who request I also analyze Bitcoin. But from next year, I'm going to be actively trading Bitcoin more and more. So yeah, that's going to be all for this video, guys. Do want to like, comment, and subscribe. And next year, there's a lot is going to be coming to this channel. I'm going to try to implement more live trading sessions. I'm going to do a lot more of this educational type content and see how far I could really carry you guys along. I've been doing my best so far, been busy trying to work, serve and stuff, but next year I'm really trying to break boundaries. So it's going to be exciting taking you guys along with the journey with me. And I think that's all I have to say for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video with your trader friends and family. And I'll catch you guys in the very next video. Bye for now.